Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Laravel eCommerce Marketplace Wallet System plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to make a purchase of seller and admin products from their wallet. The customers can select the wallet system payment method for the admin and seller products at the time of checkout there. Both the sellers and the customers can easily add credit amounts, transfer money, view transaction details in wallet system. Apart from that, the admin can create cashback rules that are based on product or on the cart, and the admin can set the minimum and the maximum limit for adding the money to the wallet there as well. Now this particular plugin supports the split payment for the seller's products, and kindly note that at the time of adding the balance to the wallet system, no other product can be added along at that very time. This plugin is an add-on of the Laravel eCommerce Marketplace module, so that must be installed first before making use of this particular plugin. So in today's video tutorial, we'll be checking out how the customers can add money to the wallet, how the customers can transfer wallet amount to the bank, how they can transfer wallet amount to another customer or payee, and how to add the payee, how to add the bank account details at the customer's end. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how the customers can make use of the wallet amount to place an order, and the initial configuration settings and the other wallet options at the admin's end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I've already logged into my customer account, and here I've already logged into my customer account, that's of Tony. And after the successful installation of the Laravel eCommerce Marketplace wallet system, the customers will find three different options there under their own account panel on the left hand side, that are manage wallet, transfer wallet amount, and account details. Now under the manage wallet, the customers will find the complete details of the credits and debits done. So here you can see that we have added the amount by the customer, wallet amount transferred to the bank, it has been debited, transferred to the customer $10, added by the customer, credited, and the status. And from here we can also view the complete transaction details by tapping on the view option, and this will bring up the complete details of the transaction, as you can see here right now. Here the amount, action type, reference, transaction at, transaction note, and the transaction status as well. Now let's come back to the manage wallet system and let's see how the customers can initially add the money to the wallet. Now to add the money to the wallet, here as you can see here, we are having the details of the credits and debits along with the status and the option to view the particular transactions that have been done for the wallet there. And here we have the manage wallet amount, and here are the wallet details, like the total amount in the wallet right now, that's $1,090 US. Now to add amount to the wallet there, what we need to do is we need to enter the amount here and then tap on the add money. Now it depends upon the minimum and the maximum amount set by the admin, and only within those limits you'll be able to add the money to the wallet there. For example, if I go ahead and I try to add $100 to my wallet there and tap on the add money, then we can see that the wallet amount must be greater than 200 there, right? So that has been that's the minimum limit that has been set by the admin in the configuration settings of the marketplace wallet system there. So I'll just go ahead and I'll add $1,000 more in my wallet, and I'll tap here on the add money button. Now this would add the particular wallet amount to the cart there, as you can see on the top right hand corner. And if I tap down here, you can see that the wallet amount is 1,000, so we can tap here on the checkout button thereafter. Now different payment methods can be set up by the admin from the backend for making the payment or for adding the wallet amount to the for adding the amount into the wallet there. So I'll be showing you that as well. So now after adding the details here, you can see that we have the PayPal Smart button, money transfer, and the PayPal standard. Now in the case of PayPal smart button and the PayPal standard, as soon as you place the order, the wallet amount would be added into the wallet there. But in the case of money transfer, the order needs to be completed by the admin initially, and only after that would the wallet amount be credited there into your wallet itself. So for now I'll be selecting it as money transfer, and if I scroll down here under the items, we can see that the $1,000 are going to be added with one quantity into the wallet there. And let's tap here on the place order button thereafter. So the order has been placed. Now if I go to my profile and I try and go to my section, that's the manage wallet, to view the particular transaction there. Right now we will not be able to see the transaction. Here you can see that it's the old transaction being shown here for the credit of $1,000 and the wallet amount is 1,090. So the admin needs to complete this particular order by navigating through sales, because we have used the offline mode there for the payment as money order. If it was a PayPal smart one, then at the very same time when you were placing the order, the wallet amount would be credited into your wallet there. So here we are having the $1,000 default. Let's save this particular order, and here you can find one option with the on the top right hand corner, that's the confirm wallet order. So here we are having the wallet product, the price is $1,000, right? Now let's confirm the wallet order. Let's tap OK on the prompt. Wallet amount updated successfully. Now if I refresh here, now we'll be able to see it would be $2,090. So here you can see that it's now $2,090 being shown. And here you can see edit by customer, a new transaction has been added here for a credit of 1,000 and the status is approved. And from here, if you want, you can view the transaction details as well. So that's how the customers can add the money to the wallet. And now let's see how the customers can transfer the wallet amount to the bank. So on the same section here under the manage wallet, where we are adding the money to the wallet there, here we have a transfer amount to bank account button. So but before transferring the amount to the bank account, what you need to do is you need to go to the account details section here, and here you need to add your bank account. So right now, to add a new bank account, you can add multiple bank accounts as well by tapping here on the add account button. I've already added one, I can add multiple as well. So let me edit this up to show you what details needs to be filled. So here what we need to do is, here we need to add the account holder's name, account number, bank name, bank code, and additional information if any for the bank. And then you need to tap on the save button if you are adding a new account there, right? Now after you've added the account here, you come back to the manage wallets section, tap here on the transfer amount to bank account. This will bring up the section to transfer the amount to the bank account there. So here you need to enter the amount that you need to transfer to your bank account there, for example 100. Then from the drop down, select your account number in which you want to have this amount to be credited, and add a note, add this amount to my bank account, to my respective bank account, for example respective bank account. And then you need to type on the transfer money button. Now what will happen is that instantly the amount would be debited from your wallet. Here you can see that the wallet amount has been transferred to bank. The debit is for $100 and the left amount is $1,990 there. Now this amount is not actually transferred instantly into your bank accounts. What the admin needs to do is, let me take you to the back end. Now after the successful installation of this particular Laravel eCommerce marketplace wallet system, you'll have the marketplace wallet option here on the side panel. You have to tap on that, and here the transaction request for transferring the wallet amount into the bank would be visible to the admin under the bank transfer details. And from here you can see that Tony Stark has asked the wallet amount transfer to bank. It's pending right now. And here if I scroll down, here you can see the status is pending right now. Now the admin will have to select this thing, tap on the update, approve it up. If he has already out of the box, out of the system, if he has transferred the particular amount into the customer's bank account, then he can come back to this particular section with this particular transaction and approve it. So you have to just make an entry that you have approved. That means you have transferred the amount of the wallet amount into the customer's bank account. Then only you have to approve this up, otherwise not. So you have to do the transaction of transferring that amount into the customer's bank account manually out of the system, then come to this particular section and update this and approve it up. Now after approving it up, you can see that it has been approved. We can view the complete details of the transaction by tapping here on the view button. And if I come back to the customer's manage wallet section and refresh this page here, we'll be able to see the details here for the same. Let me show you that. Wallet amount transferred to bank $100, status is approved. That means that the admin has manually transferred the amount into my bank account, and I can check the details of the same for my bank account itself as per my requirement. I can tap here the view transaction details to view the transaction details. As you can see, the amount, the action was debit, type, wallet amount transferred to bank details within which the amount has been transferred, transaction date and time, and transaction note edited by the customer, and the transaction status is approved. So that was how the customers can transfer the wallet amount to the bank. Now let's see how the customers can transfer the wallet amount to another customer or a payee, and how to add a payee. For that, we have to go to the transfer wallet amount section on the left hand side panel here by tapping on the transfer wallet amount, and here you can see that we have the wallet details. We have $1990. So from here we can select the payee to whom we want to transfer the amount. Now the payee first needs to be first added, and only after adding the payee you will find that payee under this drop down here, and then you can add the amount and the note, and then you can transfer the money to that particular customer. Now kindly note that while you are adding a payee, by tapping here on the add payee button, here you need to enter a few details of the payee like the nickname, email address, confirm email address, and then you have to tap on the add payee button. But the email address should be a valid email address that is used within the store. So the customer whose email address that you are using, that email address should have been used to register within the store as well. So that email should be registered within the store for a particular customer there. Only then you'll be able to add that particular payee, right? So let me go back to the transfer wallet amount. So I've already added one customer with the name customer 1 here that I've added. It's approved right now and the status is enabled. I can edit or delete the payee as well. Now to transfer the amount, I'll select the customer, add the amount and add the note as well. Amount to your wallet, and then I'll tap here on the transfer money to customer. Now we can also set up a validation there in which an email would be sent out with a particular code, and that code needs to be entered here. Right now we have not used that, and you can see that the amount transferred to the customer's wallet successfully. Now if I go back to my manage wallet section, and here you can see that right now we had transferred $10 more. So here the wallet amount is $1980 right now, and here you can see the reference transfer to customer, debit is 10, the status is approved right now. Okay, now if you're adding the pays here while you're going to the transfer wallet amount section and you're adding the pays here, you can come back to the admin backend panel and you can go to the payee list. While you have added a particular payee, that payee needs to be approved. So for that you have to select that payee. From the drop down you have to update the status, choose approve and tap on the submit button, so that that particular payee gets approved and gets visible here as well. Right, so these were the three options that we get: manage wallet, transfer wallet amount, and the account details section. And I hope it helped you out in understanding these three options here. Now let's see how, for example, if I go to a particular category and I try and add a particular product to make a purchase there. So let me show you how the customers can make use of the wallet amount to place an order, and how the credit rules apply, or the product rules apply on the within the cart there. So what I'll do is I'll just tap here on the add to cart button for this particular toy car, and I'll be adding one simple product as well. But let's do one thing, let's keep it simple and let's go to the view shopping cart. So in the view shopping cart, you can see that if I'm placing this order, then the total amount of $5 cashback will be credited in your wallet. Now it is working on the cashback rules, the rule that has been created depending upon the price in the cart there. So if I make it as 2 and update the cart, you will see that the price will change to something else that has been set for the credit rule. So because the price in the cart is 200, so the total amount would be $20 cashback credited in your wallet. You can also set the cashback rules as per the products. So for that, what you will have to do is you will have to go to your particular product, and there you will find one particular section as well. Let me give you an example for that. For example, if I go to catalog, and here if I go to this Z plus product, I edit it up, and you can do it for a newly created product as well, or that you're going to create, or for an already created product as well. So you'll have the wallet credit amount based on whether you want to have it on product credit amount or credit rules. If you have selected credit rules, then the product credit rules or the cart rules would be applicable there. Otherwise, if you've chosen it as product credit amount, then you can set up the cashback amount that would be given back to the wallet after the completion of the particular order by the customer for the respective product there. Now let's come back to this particular section. So I'm just showing you how the customer can make use of the wallet amount to place an order. So I'll just tap here on the proceed to checkout button. We'll be taken to the checkout page. Let me fill in the details here for the address. Let me enter the telephone number. I'll select the shipping method. Now under the select payment method, here you'll find the marketplace wallet system payment method itself. Here you can see the order total is 200. The wallet amount that I have is $1,980, and the remaining to be paid is $0. So I can select this particular thing here. That's the marketplace wallet system. And if I scroll down here, we can see that the marketplace wallet system has been used as the payment method here, and I can tap here on the place order button thereafter. Now after placing the order, if I go to the my orders and I go ahead and I go to the section there, that's the order number 53 for the $200. I will the particular one, and here you can see we had purchased toy car, we had ordered two have been invoiced, right? And here you can see the payment method is marketplace wallet system, right? Now if I go to my section, that's the manage wallet. So here if I scroll down, here you can see that the amount has been debited, and this product was of the admin, so the admin has received $200 and the status is approved. If I try and view the transaction, I can view the transaction details as well. The reference is #53. Transaction note is order payment, it's approved. For the reference, if I tap on the reference there, will be taken to the particular order that was placed using the wallet amount there, as you can see here right now. So this was the customer's front. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see the initial configuration settings and the other wallet options at the admin's end. So for that, let's hop on to the admin end. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, how to do the initial configuration settings? For that, what we need to do is we need to navigate to the backend there. So I'll just navigate to the backend there. So I'll tap here on the configure option, and on the configure option here we'll go to sales. Under sales I'll go to payment methods. Under payment methods we have the different payment methods. Here we are having the marketplace wallet system. So I'll open that up. So we'll set up the title that will be visible to the customers at the checkout time. We'll set up the description for the marketplace wallet system. We'll enable it up. We'll set the minimum amount to be added in the wallet. This is the minimum wallet amount limit. This is the maximum amount add in wallet. This is the maximum amount that can be added into the wallet there. Payment applicable from countries, you can choose it as all countries or specific countries. If you have chosen it as specific countries, then you have to choose the specific countries from where this payment method can be applicable to the different countries there. Otherwise you can choose it as all countries and select all of the countries here. Then we have allowed payment methods to add amount in wallet. So we had set it as PayPal Smart Button, PayPal Standard and Money Transfer. So that's why all of these three were visible while we were trying to add the amount into the wallet there at the checkout time. So this was the initial configuration settings. After doing this particular setting, you have to tap here on the save button, then come to the marketplace wallet system, and here you can enable or disable the status of the marketplace wallet system. You can add wallet amount button can be added on the checkout when the wallet amount is 0. So if the wallet amount is 0, then at the checkout time we can add a add wallet amount button if you have enabled this option. We can also allow to use the discount while adding amount in wallet, so you can choose a yes or a no for that as well. Then we have the cashback. Cashback calculation is based on card based or product based. You can choose it as card based or the product based as per your requirement there. Then the price calculation is based on fixed or percentage value. Transfer amount, enable validation while transfer. So while you are transferring the amount to another payee there, do you want to enable the what we say as the validation? Then you can select it as yes. Then a verification code is sent to your email ID that needs to be entered before the amount is transferred to the payee there. Duration of the code has to be set up in seconds. Customer payee approval required. While you're adding a payee, do you want to have a approval from the admin's end? You can select it as yes or no for auto approval. Then display custom message. If you want to display a custom message on the transfer request submission, then you can enter that particular message here as per your own requirement as required, right? And we have the settings here. So after making these settings, just tap here on the save button. Now coming to the side panel, here we have the marketplace wallet system, MP wallet. So if I tap on that, we'll have different options here, like wallet details that shows each of the customer, their total amount, their remaining amount, their used amount, the updation date, and from here they can view the complete details of the particular customer. For example, Tony Stark. If I tap here, I can see the wallet details. Here you can see that we transferred $10 to the customer, then $200 were used for the order payment there, so on and so forth. So under the wallet details, we can see the complete details of each of the customers there. Then we have the bank transfer details. So bank transfer details has the particular listing of all of the requests that have been made by the customers to transfer their wallet amount into their bank account, and from here the admin can approve any of the requests as per the requirement there. Then we have the adjust amount to wallet. Now the admin can adjust the amount as credit or debit into the customer's account as per the requirement there, along with a note. So to adjust the amount, he can enter the amount that he wants to adjust. Then he can choose the customer from the drop down. Then he can choose whether he wants to credit the amount or debit the amount, and he can set a note for the transaction as well. Apart from that, the admin can see a particular customer list from where he will be able to credit the amount or debit the amount for each of the customers by tapping on the adjust amount button. So for example, here we are having Tony stock. So if I want to adjust the amount for this particular customer, I can tap here on the adjust amount button, right? We have already selected Tony stock here. If I tap here on the adjust amount button, you can see that now I can adjust the amount. For example, 100. I want to credited the amount for $100, right? I can tap here on the update amount button. You can see that the wallet amount has been updated. Now if I go back and I go to the manage wallet section here for the customer, here you can see that admin has given us a credit of $100 and the status is approved. I can view the transaction details as well by tapping on the view transaction details. Credit, and here we are having the details. Credited the amount for $100. The note type is admin has credited it up, right? Let's come back. So adjust amount wallet, here you can credit the amount or debit the amount as per your own requirement there. Then we have the credit rules. You can create the credit rules by tapping here on the create rule button, and you can create the rule based on the cart and on the product. If you remember, in the cart where we set the minimum amount in the cart as $200, the cashback amount shown was $20 there. So that was on the cart, and we have on the product as well. If I edit the on cart one, here you can set up the credit rule type as on cart or on product, the minimum cart amount, the cashback amount in fixed value, the start from in the start and the end date, and the status. The same goes with the other one, that's the on product based. If I edit it up, we can set the credit rule type as on product, minimum cart amount is $20, cashback amount would be 5, start from and end date for the same. So these are the credit rule sections here. Then under the payee list, if you're adding a payee and the auto approval has been set to no, or the approval by the admin has been set as yes, there the admin needs to approve that particular payee that you have added. He has to select it up and set it as approved or unapproved as per the requirement there, and tap on the submit button thereafter. Now under the bank account details, here the admin will find the complete list of customers, their name and the different bank accounts. So here you can see that the customer Tom Carlos has 2 different bank accounts here. Tony Stark has one Bank of America, and the additional info along with the same as well. So this section has the bank account details of each of the customers there. So yes, that was much about the Laravel eCommerce marketplace wallet system plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.